Hi there guys, it's Jack from JMC again, here with RK to take you through how to make another vodka cocktail. So, today we're going to do a little take on a gin cocktail being the French 75, this one is called the French 76. So we're going to start with 25ml of our vodka, about 15ml fresh lemon juice, and then about 10ml of our simple syrup. You can change the ratios of sour to sweet around depending how you like your drink. And then we're going to give it a really short, sharp little shake, just to mix things together. We're going to strain into our flute. And we are going to top with Prosecco or champagne or sparkling wine, whatever you have, whatever you like. Garnish with a lemon zest. And we have the French 76.